Good morning! Today is a very exciting day because I'm secretly flying home to surprise my family and be home 1 week. I just need to get dressed, go to school for 1 hour and then go to the airport. As you can see, I'm dressed for school, so let's go. So I've just arrived back home from school. I'm going to have some lunch, just hang on the couch a little bit until I have to go to the bus to go to the airport. As you can see, I am currently waiting until they can announce my gates. I know I have to be in the C area, which is like 38 until 72, I think. So I bought myself a drink, a little snack and a book to read because my phone's not that full charged, so I have to do something while waiting. I think I have to wait like 15-20 more minutes until they know my gates. So I'm gonna wait here until I can board the plane. And of course on the Mallorca airport you can see a bird inside of the airport just hopping around trying to find some food. And I said one bird, but I just saw like 5 birds flying over there. It's a whole family. As I previously said, this is a surprise visit home. Basically only my parents know that I'm visiting, so it's going to be a surprise for my grandparents, my aunts, my uncles, my friends, everyone. I'm also going to visit my work, if that's possible, say hi to some of my colleagues and hopefully have lunch there. Restrictions in the Netherlands are quite bad at the moment. Everything closes at 5, so no like dinner dates, nothing past 5 in the afternoon, so that's a shame, but we'll have to make it work. as you can probably see, it's the next day today. I came home at 10:30, so it was a little bit late. I ate some pizza and went straight to bed. Planning for today is to go grocery shopping, buy some Dutch food that you can't buy in Spain to bring back to Spain. Go get my nails done, a pedicure for my feet, and eat smoske. When we are finished with grocery shopping, we're gonna get something here. Okay, so we've just done some grocery shopping. I'll show you back home what I got. I'm now waiting for my mom to come back with the food that she got, because of course we have to buy some smoske when we're home. So yeah, I'm waiting for her. Then I'm going home, going to eat something, show you what I bought, and go to the pedicure salon. So after I'm done with the pedicure, I'm going to surprise one friend. I hope he's home. And then I'm going to bake something, but I'll show you that in another video. So I'm walking in the city, just looking everywhere around me, hoping I'm not walking into someone that doesn't know I'm here yet, because I want to surprise them in a fun way. So I'm just scanning everywhere if I see someone and just hope I can sneak around them. But this is a part of Vlissingen. So I kind of forgot to film the last few days because I've been very busy surprising my family and friends and just having a great time with them, seeing them again and talking to them. So I thought I'd catch you up a little bit. First day I got home, I got a manicure done. Then I went grocery shopping, I got some food. Then I was cooking dinner and I was planning on surprising my uncle, my aunt, my niece and my grandparents the next day. But my uncle FaceTimed my mother saying, "Oh, we bought too much Chinese takeaway. Do you guys want to help us, eat it all?" So the whole plan was kind of a little bit like, uh-oh, what are we gonna do? So we decided to go there for the Chinese, kick me out of the car a little bit early in the streets. So when they were inside, I FaceTimed my uncle saying "Oh, I'm on my way grocery shopping, or going to the grocery store to do some shopping. What are you guys eating?" And he said, "Well, we're eating Chinese." I was like, "Oh, that sounds so delicious." And he said, for fun, then come by and eat some. So I said, well, then you have to open the door for me. And I switched the camera from FaceTime around to show their house. And he was very confused, how do you have a picture of our house? And it didn't really sink in yet. So I said, well, you have to let me inside, otherwise I can't eat. And then my niece clocked it and she ran to the door and opened it for me. My grandparents were there as well, which we didn't know. So we surprised my whole family at once, and they were so surprised the whole time while I was eating. They were just looking over at me "Are you really there? Is that really you?" Then the next day I had the first birthday of my little niece, which was a lot of fun. Surprised her parents as well, so my actual niece. After that I went to have lunch with my grandma. So my mom and my dad went inside of the house of my grandma, said, "Oh, we have a card from Daniela at Mallorca, you should read it." So she was reading it, and on the very end of the card I wrote, "Look behind you." So she turned around and I opened the door because I was inside of her house already, sneaking in while she was talking to my parents. So I opened the door and she saw me. I went back to my uncle and my aunt to do some barbecuing. I know the weather in the Netherlands sucks right now. It's 2-3 degrees, very cold, but we had a very good barbecue dinner. And now I'm on my way to meet one of my friends. Just have a drive around in the car. Then I'm going to meet one of my other friends. And that's basically it for today. And I'm going by my work, which is going to be a surprise for them as well. Hopefully they are excited to see me.
And then Tuesday to the hairdressers to get a haircut and dye my hair. And then I've seen everyone, I've done everything I wanted to do. So today's already my last day here in the Netherlands. I'm going to be flying back tomorrow very early. So that means today I have to pack my suitcase and I have an appointment with the hairdresser that I'm going to right now. So yeah, first going to the hairdresser, after packing my suitcase, having dinner with my parents and my grandma, and then going to bed very early because the alarm clock goes at like 4:45. Good morning. I'm currently back on the airport of Brussels. I've just checked in, so all I need to do is wait. I know my gate already, so I'm going to just sit there, maybe eat some breakfast, and wait until the airplane leaves. As you can see, I've made it back home, which means this is the end of this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below any other videos you want me to make, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next vlog.